Welcome to Voiceware by PhoneSuite, which provides you with a new and more efficient approach to front desk communications. Voiceware represents the best of today and tomorrow's phone system technology, with powerful modern administrative features, advanced guest tools, and interaction capabilities. In this, the second of two videos, we are going to look at drop-in voicemail messages, setting day and night modes, pairing a new extension to the browser console, the Extensions tab, and the Calls tab. Drop-in voicemail messages. Drop-in voicemail messages are pre-recorded messages that can be placed into a guest voicemail box. These are commonly used to notify guests that they have a package waiting for them, alert them to special hotel offers, or to provide them with checkout instructions. For a full list and description of the drop-in messages available at your location, please contact either the hotel management or your Voiceware installer. To place a message into a guest voicemail box, click on the guest room extension number to view the record. Next, click the voicemail button. You will then be presented with a list of messages available to be placed into the guest voicemail box. Click on the message you wish to deliver, and it will be placed into the guest voicemail box. Note that the messages available to you will differ depending on hotel requirements. Also note that messages can be recorded in several different languages. The options presented to you will be in the correct language for that guest. Setting day and night modes. Using the Voiceware browser console, the entire phone system can be placed into various night modes, or taken out of night mode and placed into day mode. These modes are used to route calls differently depending on the mode the system is placed in. For example, if the hotel closes at night and there is no one available to answer an incoming call, a night mode can be designed to send in all incoming calls directly to voicemail without first ringing the front desk. For a full description of what night modes are available to you, please see either hotel management or your local Voiceware installer. To access night modes, click the day mode button near the top of the screen. The display will then appear with a list of available night modes. Simply click the mode you wish to place the system in. To put the system back into the day mode, click the Night Mode 1 button at the top of the screen and select Day Mode. Please note that night modes names can vary according to an individual hotel's practices. Pairing a new extension to the browser console. If you need to link a new phone to the browser console or change the currently paired phone, click on the Paired button at the top of the screen and enter the new extension number, then click Pair. The browser console will now be paired with that phone. The Extensions tab. The Extensions tab is where all administrative phones are listed. These are extensions that are not associated with rooms or guests, but with specific hotel staff or extension locations. Administrative phones commonly include the front desk phones, manager phones, and the sales department phones. These phones can be called in the same way a guest phone can be called, by using the call button. Transfers are also accomplished in the same way as transfers to a guest room, by using the transfer and attended transfer buttons. Note that on this page, the transfer button is the same as the blind transfer button. The Calls tab. This screen shows a list of all calls made by any guests that are currently in progress. This screen can be used to see if a guest is on their phone before attempting to call that room, or to monitor guest calls. This concludes the browser console additional features video. You now should be able to use drop-in voicemails, set the system to night mode, pair a new extension to the browser console, call an administrator's phone using the Extensions tab, and view ongoing call details using the Calls tab. Thank you for watching.